speaker recognizes Representative Roberts.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I'll speak to all three amendments. Yesterday, I got a call from a constituent of mine, and his son, or his son-in-law, is a firefighter in Highland Park. And his son-in-law has recently been diagnosed with cancer. And, you know, after many years of trying, we finally did the right thing last session and took a major step in taking care of our firefighters here in Michigan and worked to pass Senate Bill 211. And what this bill does is it amends the Workers' Compensation Act to include certain types of cancer as personal injury for firefighters. The bill, through LARA, creates a first responder presumed coverage reimbursement program to reimburse carriers for costs of worker compensation benefits resulting from the bill's presumption as to specific cancers. The bill also creates the first responders presumed coverage reimbursement fund. However, LARA is prohibited from implementing the program until we, as a legislative body, appropriate money into that fund. So my constituent yesterday was asking me for help and asking how can we access this, take advantage of this law to support, you know, his son or son-in-law going through cancer is related to being on the job. So we worked in, I think, a great bipartisan way in the House and the Senate last session to pass this legislation, but we haven't funded it. So my amendments address putting money, $1 million, into the program to start helping our firefighters sooner versus later. But I am going to be withdrawing those amendments today. And I really do appreciate the opportunity to speak to this body because I think this is a very important conversation that we need to have, particularly as we look at, you know, some struggles we're going to look at in terms of funding priorities. But we did the right thing, and I hope that we can continue to work together in a bipartisan way in the House and Senate and find a way to fund this program to do right by our firefighters who risk, you know, their lives to protect us. So thank you so much.